Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying 6th lesson linear inequalities, and let us try to understand the algebraic solutions of linear inequalities. We have first example, solve 30x less than 200 when x is a natural number, and second, x is when x is an integer. Let us try to understand this. So we have to solve 30x less than 200. So solution, 30x less than 200. If you divide by positive number, inequality sign remains same. So divide both sides by divide divide both sides of inequality by 30. You will get 30x divided by 30 is less than 200 divided by 30. So this becomes x is less than, strictly less than, this is strict inequality. You will get 20 upon 3, means if you try to solve, you will get this as 6.6666 is recurring. 3 sixes are 18, again 2 left, 3 sixes are 18, so it will be, x will have all the values less than 6.6666 recurring, that is 20 upon 3. Now we asked first solution is of x is a natural number. We know natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on. They will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Now x is strictly less than 6.66. Please try to understand. X is strictly less than 6.66. It means x can have all the values which are smaller than 20 upon 3, that is 6.6666. So if this is x will have all the values, right, which are smaller than 6.66. So solutions will be solutions of the solution of inequalities. We have, you can see we have multiple solutions. So here solutions are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and the solution set is a set of all the integers from 1 to 6. This is about the first. Now if second is x is an integer. If x is an integer, we already got x is strictly less than 6.666 and integers less than 6.66 are these all. You will notice on number line we have drawn integers many times. 0, this side -1, -2, +1, +2, +3. These are integers. So less than 6, you will notice they will be all negative integers as well as these natural numbers. So for second, if x is an when x is an integer, solutions will be, so our solutions are all negative integers. So you will have negative, please note this dot dot indicates there are many, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now if this is to be represented in the set form, so solution set will be equal to dot 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 -3, -2. Please try to understand this dot 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 indicates it is not ending this side. Then -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Full stop. Please note it ends the other side. It does not end to the left hand side, but it does end to the right hand side. So this is the solution set of the inequality 30x less than 200. Dear friends, we have second example. Solve 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1 when x is an integer, and second sub question is when x is a real number. Let us try to understand this. We have 5x minus 3 strictly less than 3x plus 1. Now we have already studied that if we add or subtract any integer, inequality remains same. It does not, sign does not change. So adding positive 3, see, try to understand, I want to reduce this term. We have already studied these type of equations. Now we are studying inequalities. So in order to find the value of x, we eliminate all the other terms. So here adding 3 to both sides. Add 3 to both sides. You will get 5x minus 3 plus 3 is less than. Please note, when we add positive 3, inequality sign does not change, so it is remaining same. You will get 3x plus 1 plus 3. We have added 3 to both sides. So we will get 5x to the left hand side. Minus 3 positive 3 will become 0. So no need to write. You will have 5x less than 3x plus 4. Now we need to reduce this x term. So we have already studied, if we subtract 3x from both sides, please note x is an integer or x is a real number. So whether it is a positive or whether it is a negative real number, we can subtract without changing the sign of inequality. So subtracting 3x from both sides. Please remember, since it is positive, inequality does not change. So you will get 5x minus 3x is less than 3x minus 3x, this plus 4 as it is. So this will get eliminated. 3x minus 3x is 0. Here we will get 5x minus 3x is 2x is less than 4. Now we have also studied that if we divide by positive integer or a positive number, then inequality remains inequality. If we are multiplying or dividing by a negative number, then and then only inequality is reversed. Here, if we are dividing by a positive number, inequality remains, the sign is not reversed, or this sign remains as it is. So, you dividing both sides by both sides by 2. You will get 2x divided by 2 less than 4 divided by 2. That is, x is less than 2. X is strictly less than 2. This is strict inequality. Now see, we are given x is an integer. X is an integer. We have already studied integers on number line 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. This side is it goes up. Now we are told that it is an integer but it is less than 2. So it means it will have all the values less than 2. That is, it can have 1, 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on. So x will be solutions of inequality are, please note, this side it is extending, so I am writing dot dot dot, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. It is strictly less than 2. 1 is the integer that is strictly less than 2. So these are the solutions of the inequality, and the solution set is set of all these integers, that is dot dot dot, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. This side it ends. This is the first answer. Now second is, x is a real number. Real number, it will have all the values less than 2. Means it can have 1.5, it can have root 2 as well, it can have all the values which are real, but they must be strictly less than 2. So in order to represent, we cannot write in the form of this set. So we can definitely write in bracket. That is, we have already studied in first chapter. If x is real number, then solutions solution set is, we cannot write in this form. Solution set is, please try to understand, this side it is extending up to some defined negative number. We cannot take undefined number. This negative infinity is undefined number, and hence by making a round bracket we are excluding undefined number. We want it to be defined number. So the round bracket comes. This is open bracket. And it is less than, strictly less than 2. We don't know what is the numbers which is strictly less than 2. So we are making an open bracket, that is 2 is not included, but it does have all the values from negative infinity or between negative infinity and 2. They must be defined values.